Verifying your Shopify store on Facebook is essential for running ads, using Facebook shops, and tracking conversions. Here's how to do it. Connect Shopify to Facebook. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, Apps and Sales Channels. Click Facebook and install the Facebook and Instagram app. Connect your Facebook Business Manager and select the right Facebook page. Verify your domain on Facebook Business Manager. Log into Facebook Business Manager at business.facebook.com. Click on Business Settings, Brand Safety, Domains. Click Add and enter Shopify store's domain. Choose a verification method. HTML meta tag. Copy the meta tag and paste it inside Shopify's theme.liquid file in the head section. DNS verification. Add the provided TXT record to your Shopify domain settings. HTML file upload. Upload the verification file to Shopify. Confirm verification. After adding the verification code, go back to Facebook Business Manager and click Verify. Once verified, your Shopify store will be officially linked to Facebook.